Sometimes, turning off NVENC, Nvidia's hardware encoder, can be a secret weapon in your gaming and streaming setup. Let's dive into how to disable NVENC in popular streaming and recording software, starting with OBS Studio first. Open OBS Studio then. Navigate to your settings. Usually found in the bottom right corner of the interface, within the settings, select Output on the left-hand side. Under the Output settings, you'll see an option labeled Encoder. This is where the magic happens. Click the drop-down menu next to it to reveal your encoder options. If you're currently using NVENC, you'll probably see something like Nvidia NVENC H.264 or NVENC AV1 listed. To disable NVENC, select a different encoder. You'll see options such as X260 for which relies on your CPU. Choose the one that best suits your system and needs now. Click Apply at the bottom and then close your settings. The process is very similar for other applications. If you're using software like Streamlabs or other recording apps, the encoder settings will usually be found within the overall settings or output settings again. Look for an encoder option and select an alternative. It may take some tweaking depending on your specs, so make sure you're recording and streaming with optimal, lag-free settings, and that's how you disable NVENC.